Going on YouTube, Andrew back with another video, and today we're going to be carving some corners with my Elantra end. But the reason why I paused it here during the intro is just because I wanted to say there was some wind noise from the sunroof. Just to be clear, I'm going to fix all that in the next videos, but yeah, so let's get right back into it. So I have a little predetermined route for this drive. Should be some good twists and turns. We're gonna go up this hill. I do want to get one of those like Insta 360 cameras, like 360 ones, or even the regular ones, just have more angles. I do have a GoPro, but I feel that my newer iPhones have the same, if not better quality, so I'd rather just use that. So yeah, hopefully soon I'm gonna buy one. I haven't got around to it. Well, I was gonna buy one, and then someone decided to hit my car, so I'm like, we'll see how that goes. Cause I'm not driving a car with some like scratches on it, so we'll see how that one plays out. But definitely soon I'll be getting one of those.
In 0.2 miles speed camera at 25 miles per hour speed limit. I'm just realizing now we had a reflection that whole time. It's very sunny out today. I can't even really get rid of it. I'll just pull up the other camera angle. Truck with a trailer or a launcher net? Who's gonna win? I don't know. We'll see.
some time again. Let them get ahead a little bit. By the way, this is us in N mode with ESC and Sport. Guys, so for the most part, I'm thinking about making the video about the person that hit my car. Like I said, I'm not just gonna make a video of me ranting. Maybe I will if you guys want me to. I don't know. I don't really like watching that, but if I get the surveillance footage, or people just got camera lights, if I get the surveillance footage, or if I find the person, I confront them, I'll just film it, fixing it. Maybe I'll film it if I'll throw in a little video or whatever. We'll see. But yeah, if I find them, just definitely stay on the lookout for a video, honestly. Well, like I also said, I don't know if I said in the last video, I know I posted it. I'm gonna be trying to post videos on Sunday and Wednesday, or at least 2 times a week. I don't know if those days are set in stone. They could change, but I'm gonna try to stick to that schedule exactly. But yeah, so hopefully we find them and then they do the right thing. I don't know, but yeah, so alright, so I'm gonna stop the video right here. Basically, I was just saying somebody hit my car and I'm still trying to figure out who it is. I have a good feeling I know who it is, but obviously I'm gonna give the person the benefit of the doubt. Hopefully they come forward and they do the right thing. Either way, the car has to be fixed, so it is what it is. But if I do find them and we confront them, I'll make a video about it. But I'm not gonna sit here and make a video of me ranting, because I mean, I don't even want to watch that. I don't want to watch other people do that. So yeah, the person was going to pull in, right? I was parked on the right side of the street. It's a one-way street, so I was parked on the right side. So the person was pulling in, and they just, I don't know, they clipped it too short. I don't even know how you do that, honestly, but I guess you just don't know how to drive. Because I think I know who it was. Like, do I go up to them and say, like, do the right thing or whatever? But then it's like, maybe they'll try to hide and really, you know, hide their, I don't know. Or like I said, I'll wait, like I'll let them, either if I see them pull in, I'll go up to them. Well, first I got to make sure it's 100% them. I'm not just going to accuse any random person. But I mean, if you have blue, matte black, and bright red paint on your car because they pulled each color off it, then it's obviously you. And I have some video footage, so I can link those to T-Rex. I can link them together. Oh, Viper. Oh, the Super. Yeah, we'll pull it right in here. We'll right here get some. It's up for you guys. Got a Supra, original Viper, and another Supra, Mark V Supra, Mark IV Supra. Got a T-Rex. I'll swing back around. Yeah, so I just pulled around so I can just get a picture of it. Very nice. But yeah, I got the Mark IV Supra, the Viper, older Viper. Got the 4-point harnessing, manual, and then the new Supra. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. I love the new Supra. Drop what you guys comments down below. But race brakes, carbon mirrors. Is this the A91 package? I can't tell. We got titanium exhaust. Yeah. So. All right, let me show you guys the where the person hit it. On video, you can't really notice it as much, but in person, you definitely notice it. But right here, they ripped all the black off. They ripped the red off. This is all scratched. The paint ripped off. The blue, this is all scratched. They hit it. I mean, I don't even know how you leave it, like hit it someone's car and just leave it, but that's just me. Got a T-Rex here. I mean, I see these things all the time. They're nothing special to me. I mean, they're cool, obviously, but like here in New York City, like everyone has a T-Rex. I don't. There's more T-Rexes than regular trucks. But yeah, so that's the story with the person that hit my car. Like I said, video hopefully coming soon, but I don't know. I really love this Supra. Honestly, this is one of my next cars I'm probably gonna get with the C7 Torch Red Z06. Yeah, I love that color too. It's probably the same color I would get. That the silver gray metallic color. It's nice, but yeah. So that's pretty cool thing. Let me take some pictures and all right, we'll get back on the road. All right, so let's get right back on the road. Oh, it's right. Wait, hold up. I just realized it's right-hand drive. I don't know if you guys caught that in an earlier clip. It's right-hand drive. It's automatic though, but still, that's sick. Imported it. There's a guy over there actually with an Integra. I don't know if it's a Type S or not. Probably not. But he was filming the thing. I thought it was his car. I mean, it's something I honestly probably would do. But oh, I think these are the guys. This is their cars. All right, so what happened? It was their cars. Actually, it was kind of funny. I don't know if I'll throw them in there, but yeah, some nice cars. Pop into Eco just so you guys can hear me. But yeah, so I hope you liked the video. That was actually pretty cool. We saw those cars. Not every day you see a right-hand drive Supra, a Viper. The regular Supra I see daily, but like I said, pretty cool. If you like the video, it's kind of windy, hold on. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Other than that, it's been